Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked chicken and biscuits. So let's get toasting. I'm going to use this 10-inch cast iron skillet for this, but you could also use a baking dish. Okay, I'm using cream of mushroom soup, but you could also use cream of chicken if you like that better. So this is a 22.6 ounce can, family size. If you use the smaller ones, just use two little ones, two of the smaller ones. Okay, and this is about a pound of chicken breast that I cut up into cubes, and I seasoned this with salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper, but you can season it any way that you like. And I'm also going to add 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables to that. And then I'll add about a half a can of water here. And I'll just get this all mixed together. It looks like maybe I could use a little bit more vegetables. I might add just a little bit more vegetables to that, maybe another half a cup. And also I have this can of biscuits. This is a 7.5 ounce can. This little can of biscuits was only like 69 cents, just kind of the economy size. And I'm not going to put those on top until this is pretty well cooked through, because the biscuits only take about 10 minutes to cook. Yeah, I think I could use a little bit more vegetables there. I'm going to add about another half a cup of vegetables, I think. That looks pretty good. I added another half a cup of vegetables, so a cup and a half of vegetables. I'll write everything in the description at the end like usual. Sprinkle a little more of the seasoned pepper on top, and we'll get that into the toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll get that going in there. When it looks about done, we'll pull it out and add the biscuits. It's been half an hour, 30 minutes. So that's bubbling away pretty good. I'm going to pull it out and add the biscuits now. I have my can of biscuits opened up here. Scared the heck out of me when it popped when I opened it, like they always do. So we'll just pull these out. And I think I can fit all of these right on top. I'll just spread them out all over the top here, and then we'll get them back into the oven until they cook. There we go, perfect. Now we'll get those back in there, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been 10 minutes, so let's see how we're doing. It started bubbling over a little bit, so I turned my oven down to 375. That helped a little bit. Just have to clean the bottom of my oven now. Oh well, stuff happens. This is kind of bland to look at, but let's dig in and see what it looks like underneath here. Flip over a biscuit there. It's almost sort of like chicken pot pie, you know, only you got biscuits instead of crust. So anyway, get a little bit of that biscuit there. Get a little bit of that everything here. Probably kind of hot. All right, let's try that out. It came out pretty good. Comfort food. Annie showed up. Guess I better let her try a little bit. You want to try this, Annie? There you go. She licked the bowl clean. Annie approved. The total cooking time was about 40 minutes. I cooked it for 30 minutes at 450, and then I put the biscuits on, put it back in at 450, and then I turned it down to about 375. About after it had been in there about 5 minutes, because everything started to bubble over, so I filled my pan a little bit too full. That was the only thing I did, is I used half a can of water. Probably should use just a little bit less. Turned out fine, just have to clean my oven now. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.